Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Ranger XD 1500 Chase Rack system. This rack fits the 2024 Plus Polaris Ranger, all models. Install time is around 45 minutes. Best to be installed by 2 people. With a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by grabbing the 8-bed rail slide bolts, and installing them in place. Begin with the forward bolt, then the rear, and then the 2 middle bolts, so that they look similar to this layout. Next, do the same to the other side of the vehicle. Now, grab the side bed rail mount, and set it in place aligning the 4 bolts. Make sure one in place, that this trailing edge lines up flush with the back of the rail, as you see here. Next, install or thread on the backing hardware onto the supplied 4 slide bolts. Now, do the same to the other side of the vehicle. Then, with all the backing hardware in place, tighten down both side rails, using a 17mm socket, until fully snug. This end backing nut on both sides may be a little difficult to get to, but it is manageable, so take your time. Next, grab a side rail riser, which will mount in these 2 locations here. Set a bolt in place within the riser, and then align and fit the riser in place, threading in the rear bolt. This will make it much easier to locate the mounting hole for the forward bolt. Space is a little tight with the rear bolt, so be patient, and you will get it. Repeat these steps to the other side of the vehicle. Now, once both sides are in place, adjust the riser, so the front is flush with the main rail mount, and tighten down the hardware, using a 17mm socket. As you tighten these bolts down, just make sure that everything aligns, side to side, and front to back. Repeat these steps to the other side of the vehicle. Next, grab the top support bar, and set it in place, as you see here on the risers. Then, align the mounting holes, and thread in the supplied, two 17mm bolts on each side, align, and tighten down. Now, gather the supplied 8 Allen bolts needed to install the bed rail inside panels to each side. Then, set the panel up and in place, and starting in the middle, as it is easier to hold it in place, thread in a center Allen bolt, and work your way outward. Then, repeat this step to the other side of the vehicle. Next, using a 5mm Allen bit, or wrench, tighten down both sides of the vehicle panels. Now, at this time, you can install your bed tie-down points. There are 4 positions along each side rail to best suit your needs. Just slip them into place, as shown here, they snap in, and you are done. Lastly, grab the side riser light mount bracket, and with the angled part of the bracket facing the rear, align the front hole, and install a 5mm Allen bolt. It is best to rotate the bracket upward, so you can access threading on the backing hardware much easier. Then, rotate the bracket back down, so it lines up with the edge, and install the other Allen bolt. Now, using a 13mm wrench on the backing nuts, tighten down the bracket. Again, space is tight, so take your time. Congrats, that completes your DRT Ranger XD Chase Rack install. This Chase Rack system is the ultimate bolt-on modular solution, engineered to offer multiple options for securing cargo, mounting tools/accessories, and installing lights in a variety of positions. Whether you need lights facing forward, to the side, rear, or over the bed area, this Chase Rack has you covered. Constructed from precision laser cut, formed, and welded steel, the rack provides a robust and secure location for gear. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.